Welcome back to the channel. Now we have taken out the Porsche and start driving it, the Cayenne, but it's not driving good. It's very lack of power, and yeah, we have to check. So now just try to read off some codes and see if it can tell us something where we can start. Yeah, you see you have the port for the obd reader. This is X tool D7, if I don't remember wrong. Let's put on the ignition. Not starting. Now I finally got into the system. We just have to find Europe, Porsche. Think we take care to detect, but due to manual. Cayenne up to 2010 from before. 9PA is the right model. I should be able to calibrate the suspension on this car from this tool. Theoretically. Automatic scan. I just want to start. Starting engine system. Engine ECU 2 errors. Gearbox passed. It's come to scanning in part number 10 here of 31. So this is going to take gateway fault. Yeah, it's a lot of things. I just have to wait. You don't have to stand waiting for this. Yeah, it was a lot of errors, many places. A lot of it could be because of lack of power. The battery on the car have been dead. I tried to change it. It just used up battery when it had been standing. So a lot of it could come from that. So now I'm just cleaning out everything, and we have to just start it up again and see, because you can't believe the information here if you have little power on your car. You just have to go in and clean out and just start fresh and see how it's going to work out. So now go cleaning out more and more of the error problems. And then we have to start it up and try to read out code after. Now I have reset everything and just out trying to drive it a little. Get some measuring going live. Airflow sensor and mass airflow sensor and things like that. Just drive it a little and see how the acceleration, the gearing and everything is after I killed off all the wrong information and all the things that was put in. But I think it's a lot of more mechanical things that this system cannot see. All the worn out spark plug, coils maybe. A lot of things like that, but I just take a trip now and try. Now I come back and now to driving a trip, and after resetting, cleaning out the error codes that was in there, the car is behaving a little better. But I think I'm just going to read out more information again and see which code I maybe get up. After that I have to start by cleaning the MAF sensor, changing spark plugs maybe, and they say the coils could be a problem. I have to get me some starting gas to try to see around different places if it could drag in false air. The computer here can help with a lot of things. But there's some things you can't see. You just have to feel it. I feel that the car is working a little better after I reset the computer information. Now I just have to try to go in and read out again and see what this is. Maybe I get up some codes that could help me start a search. Maybe I don't. But at least I'm going to start with a simple service thing, changing oil, of course. I also think the oil on the automatic transmission need to be changed here. I feel like the transmission is lacking something. So I just want to change and do that too. So it's a lot of service job is going to be on this car, but now I'm just reading off the codes again. Yeah, I read off the codes from the engine again, and I get up a P001700 circle, cylinder, bank 1, camshaft position, crankshaft position sensor incorrectly assigned to status. Linear, and then P118200, linear oxygen sensor, reflection voltage, short circuit to ground 2. So now I'm just going to check up those codes. At least I have something to start with. And then we're going to go from there. I can guarantee it's a lot of you guys out there who have the answer already. So just write in the comments where to go from this. But at least I have 2 codes to start with on the engine, plus the service jobs, oil changes, and the automatic also. Transfer case maybe also. Yeah, I just have to start somewhere, as I don't have enough to do anyway. Yeah, thank you. Please come back. Please write some comments and give me some feedback. Start following. I'm going to do a lot of things with this too, in between the other cars and the car shows. Yeah. But I love to find out things, to start to understand it. That's why I'm doing this. To get this car to drive as it should would be very nice. Thank you. Please put a like. Please start following the channel.